How to boost a Snapchat score rapidly. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, launch a Snapchat app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now tap Bitmoji icon at top left corner of your screen. And as you can see, the current Snap score. It is 2667. Tap on close button and come back to your camera section. Now you need to tap on the arrow at right corner of your screen and here you need to tap on multi-snap. Now take multiple snap by tapping on the circle icon at bottom center of your screen. And once you have taken the multiple snaps, tap edit and send. And here we have taken 5 snaps. You can easily edit them and now tap send to at bottom right corner of your screen. Now you can easily select all of your best friends and the recent friends. Now tap on arrow at bottom right corner of your screen. And wait a few moments until all the snaps are sent to these users. And once sent, you can easily go back to your profile at top left corner of your screen and check your snap score. So here we can see that we have successfully boosted our snap score. So that's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe.